89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Music coming from Post Malone. He's one of today's birthday celebrants. Post Malone with the song Rockstar. That song brought to you by Red Alingatong Capsule. Available in the Subic Bay Freeport area, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Available at drugstores nationwide. Sa Red Alingatong Capsule, gagaling ka dito.
Mga Taga-Luzon, ang Alingatong The Miracle Roots na matagal na natin pinagkakatiwalaan sa mahabang panahon at nagpagaling sa ating mga iniindang sakit. Ngayon ay nasa kapsula na. Red Alingatong Plus Capsule. Red Alingatong Plus Capsule. Gagaling ka dito. FDA approved from GreenMed Pharma.
Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
And we're done with the songs from today's birthday celebrants. You heard Rockstar from Post Malone. He's one of today's birthday celebrants. And just before that, the very iconic soul singer Bill Withers with Lean On Me, opening things up for the second hour of this radio show. Welcome back, people. 11:18 on the dot. Welcome to the Morning Brew Show. We are coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon, 11 straight years now. Subic Bay Freeport Zone. And time once again for some of the latest piece of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. Philippine Coast Guard Commandant CG Admiral Ronnie Hill Gavan has lauded Coast Guardians of onboard BRP Sandingan or ship MRRV 4407 who rescued the injured fishermen in the vicinity waters of Bajo de Masinloc. Together with Coast Guard District National Captain or Capital Region Central Luzon, Commander CG Commodore Arnaldo Lim and CG Admiral Gavan recognized their swift response and diplomatic radio communication with Chinese vessels during an awarding ceremony in Subic, Zambales. All right, just the other day. Okay, BRP Sandingan received radio challenges as well as encountered shadowing and initial blocking by China Coast Guard, the People's Liberation Army, and Navy ships. They stopped shadowing the PCG ship when they were informed by the Angel of the Sea on board about the rescue mission. The CCG also launched 2 rigid hull inflatable boats and offered to help the 8 fishermen of Filipino fishing boat Akio. Akio encountered an engine explosion at 17 nautical miles southwest of BDM on 29th of June. 2 of their 8 fishermen suffered second-degree burns. BRP Sandingan safely arrived at the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority port in Subic, Zambales at around 4:45 a.m. 1st of July 2024. The Coast Guard crew turned over the injured fishermen to SBMA Public Health and Safety Department for transport to the nearest hospital for further medical assistance. All right, do you guys recall this was the piece of news wherein Chinese Coast Guard tried blocking a rescue mission? Ayan, yan yung yung na-high blood ako nung news na yun no. A rescue mission, they're gonna block it. Dahil feeling nila nasa territory nila sila. Mario Joseph. Nakakainis na. No? Hindi na nakakatawa sa totoo lang. Even if sabihin na natin, sige, may dispute. Let's say there's dispute. Let's say there's an argument ongoing about whose territory it is. But wouldn't you just, openly, gladly let somebody rescue somebody? Somebody who needs help? Diba? Well, ang gusto kong sabihin, hindi ko maintindihan kung anong klaseng pag-iisip meron itong mga to, rescue operations. Well, in fact, in the first place, it makes you realize then, them claiming areas which are, very, very much out of their territory, claiming it to be theirs, and well, in the first place, hindi na question yung pag-iisip, uri ng pag-iisip, Aga nakaka. All right, but yeah, that's the latest piece of news for you from in and around Subic Bay, Freeport. Admiral Gavan lauded Coast Guards who rescued the injured fishermen off Bajo de Masinloc. Kaya nga Bajo de Masinloc yun. Sa atin yan eh, Masinloc eh. Bakit? Sa China ba may Masinloc? Meron? Iba yun. Ang pronunciation, Masinloc. Next time kasi i-pronounce nyo ng tama. Kaya siguro naging akala nila baka somebody said, Masinloc. Masinloc po. Masinloc. Okay. And here's an invite for you guys. Explore new opportunities. Start with a conscious decision and discover the world of AXA, or some say AXA. All right? Experience a life-changing career. Be an AXA licensed financial advisor. All right? Happening on July 27, 2024 from 2 to 5 p.m. at the Aristocrat Restaurant, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. Contact person is Earl Brian Custodio. Okay? So, well, you can visit the AXA official Facebook page. Right? So, once again, mark your calendars. Yung mga interested po, gustong maging licensed financial advisor for AXA or AXA, it's happening on July 27, 2024, 2 to 5 p.m. Aristocrat Restaurant, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. All right? It's near the Harbor Point Mall. So, contact Kuya Earl Brian Custodio. Pati na rin si Kuya Clarence John Santos. Look up niyo yung Facebook pages nila, ha? All right? All right, so that's the announcement for you. And this time, a couple of invites coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, check out the Our Homes special sale for Amelie 3's Sofa. Okay, dating 19,950. It's now only 19,950, dating 29,950. Save 10,000 pesos. All right, when you purchase the Amelie 3 Sofa from Our Home. Our Home is located at the third level of SM City Olongapo Central. Okay, so Amelie 3 3-seater sofa. Tapos yung 2-seater, ganun din, dating 24,950, less 10,000. So easy payment terms of up to 6 months or 0% installment with buy now, pay later for selected local credit cards. Okay? I like how that credit card promo goes. Buy now, pay later. Wala bang mura na, nauutang pa. All right, so Amelie 3 Sofas or Amelie Sofas now available, on sale at Our Home, third level, SM Central, okay? And we have the mid-year clearance sale for you. SM Stores mid-year clearance sale, June 28 until July 7. So this one's ongoing, up to 50% off on selected items. So head on to SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown for the mid-year clearance sale of the SM Store. Okay, score up to 50% off on selected items. Once again, June 28 to July 7. Okay, the mid-year clearance sale. And next up, we have this offer from CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Smack it for a refreshing treat. All right, free drink upsize. Brew up some post-shopping treat with your go-to CBTL drink at SM Store Olongapo Central. Inside the SM Central, yung SM Store. Okay, get a free upsize of your drinks from Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf inside the SM Store, SM City Olongapo Central. When you shop with your SMAC or SMAC card, starting this started long ago, February 12th. It's ongoing. All right. So this is up until September 30th. Okay? Also, the SM Home is having their clearance sale June 27 to August 4, up to 50% off. All right? Where you can enjoy amazing markdowns, up to 50% off. The SM Store, your everyday store. So check it out. Mid-year clearance sale. Alam niyo, pag nagme-mid-year, madaming mga ganyan, mga clearance sale, mga mid-year clearance sale. Kaya you should grab the opportunity para makapag-avail ng mga discounted items, yung mga hinihintay ninyo na mag-sale, okay? Also, celebrate World Chocolate Day at Auntie Anne's, SM City, Olongapo Central. Choose a combination of any 3 pretzels or drinks for only 250 pesos. Or original nuggets with choco chip pretzel, any flavor of choco chip cream cheese sticks, original cinnamon sugar or almond, Belgian choco. Okay, save as much as 125 with this special Chocolate Day bundle, July 5 to 7. Okay, so bukas pa magsisimula. So you guys watch out for it, lovers of chocolates, and all of you fans of Auntie Anne's. Okay, all right. And also at SM City Olongapo downtown, check out the new, now open Kuwan Cafe, located at the ground level. Once again, it's at SM City Olongapo downtown, okay? And also, Surgilite is now open at the level 3 of SM City Olongapo downtown, okay? That's where it's at. Visit Surgilite now for, to make your... Si Mahal i-treat nyo sa Surgilite. Pampa-beauty lalo. Beautiful na si Mahal, lalo pang magiging beautiful. And if you wanna have a relaxing afternoon or well, pwede namang morning, kung morning yan. Kung medyo masakit yung katawan mo, kailangan mo ng masahe. Yung mga pagod lagi sa trabaho, visit Vibes Massage, now open at the level 3 of SM City Olongapo downtown. Vibes Massage. And check out the latest gadgets, latest Oppo models, latest Oppo cell phones at the Oppo store, level 3 of SM City Olongapo downtown. Visit Oppo now at SM downtown, okay? And finally, Ace All-American Sale, Ace Hardware. All branches sa mga SM Mall yan, yung Ace Hardware. Check out the All-American Sale, July 1 to 5, 2024. Hanggang bukas na lang, so you better hurry. Up to 40% off on selected items and 10% off or 3,000 minimum spend using your Ace Rewards card. Okay, so those are the invites for you from SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo downtown. Here's our next cool song now, Our Lady Peace with Where Are You? 895 Subic Bay Radio.